Hell yeah.
My bad.
Recording now.
Yeah, I'm recording now.
All right, so what's going on, YouTube? I don't know if I'm gonna put an intro to this or not, but if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. If you like the videos, thumbs up the videos. If you dislike them, there's a thumbs down button that you can also push. All right. So this is not gonna be a full tutorial, right? The main thing that we want to do is just see how this cut. All right. So this is the Gamma, the golden gun. Of course, y'all know it got the click levers. I got this gold fade blade on there. Again, Gamma, if you are listening, we need this blade by itself. I like that. I like the goldness of it. No problem. All right. So we're not that's why I said it's not gonna be a full tutorial, because he's not wanting to fade his hair. Don't worry about my hands been Ashley. Hold on, matter of fact, man, give me a second. I'm gonna put some lotion on. Put some lotion on my hands right there. All right, so we're not gonna actually fade it, but we're gonna cut it down to a good 1 guard. So this is gonna let me see how this golden gun feels in your hands. All right, and of course, I'm not gonna be able to tell you if this clipper lasts the hours that it say and all that stuff, because I'm not gonna use it that long. Some of that dry scalp for the winter. So, double magnetic guards from Gamma, Stylecraft, some of the best guards out there. So we just gonna, y'all can hear it, not loud. So if I was to cut it, how would that look? But no one's gonna hold it right there. We're just gonna hold it up at the like a regular clipper. Cuts through bulk, very smooth. The bulk that was on there. It's actually a smooth clipper. This is actually not bad. Like actual, when we're talking about cutting down bulk, of course this is going with the grain and not against it. But since I am going with the grain with a 1 guard open, I'm gonna take a 1.5 open against it and see how good it goes against it. We might got something here with this clipper. Of course, it's not going to be meant to be. Let me see. Let me hold it right there. Since everybody. That's how you want to do it. That's how you want to do it. Hold it with the trigger right there. But this is actually a decent clipper, right? Of course, Gamma is releasing all kinds of other clippers, and this is not going to be your main one, of course. This is the Golden Gun, which is a collector's edition, which if y'all seen, I did the unboxing. The microchip magnetic, got everything. Of course, it got the 3 different levels. It come with the single magnetic guards though, and not the double. All right, but it's not bad. 10,000 RPM, 120 minutes of runtime. I don't know, you know, the 2 hours is fine for this because this is nothing a lot of people are gonna use, but they do seem like they still made a clipper just in a version of a gun for a collector's item. All right, so that's all I wanted to do real quick. If you like the videos, like the videos. If you dislike them, dislike them. And if y'all want to see more cuts with the full clipper, leave a comment down and let me know. All right, and I'll be back with another video sometime. Peace.